In a monumental move, Tata Automotive, the parent company of Jaguar and Land Rover, is investing £4 billion into a Gigafactory in the UK. This investment marks one of the largest in the UK autocentre and is set to revolutionize the automotive industry. The Gigafactory will help kickstart the transition to electric vehicles in the UK, signaling a significant shift towards sustainable transportation. This massive project will open up thousands of jobs within the UK, both directly and through a supply chain of contractors and companies, creating at least 4,000 in-house positions. Tata's journey began as an iron and steel production company, but in 1954, it ventured into the automotive industry, primarily selling vehicles in India. The company made headlines with its acquisitions of two British automotive giants, Jaguar in 2008 and Land Rover in 2013. The Gigafactory will be built in Bridgwater, Somerset, about 140 miles from London. This location in the southwest of the UK is strategic, providing a significant boost to the local economy and positioning the UK as a leader in EV battery production. The demand for UK-produced batteries is estimated at 100 gigawatt-hours per annum by 2030. Tata's Gigafactory is expected to meet 65% of this demand, making it a pivotal player in the EV market. Spanning over 600 acres, this will be the largest Gigafactory in the UK. With Jaguar and Land Rover originally founded in the UK, this Gigafactory will strengthen the connection between Tata and the British people and government. This strategic move not only solidifies Tata's presence in the UK, but also demonstrates a commitment to fostering innovation and sustainability in the automotive industry. Notably, Tata's alternative location for the factory in Europe would have been Spain, making this a significant win for the UK. This investment also aligns with global efforts to combat climate change by reducing carbon emissions from transportation. Tata's £4 billion investment in the UK Gigafactory represents more than just a financial commitment. It's a bold step towards a greener future, creating jobs, driving innovation, and reinforcing the UK's position as a leader in electric vehicle technology.